Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time tuning into one of my videos or checking out my channel, do me a favor and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and a menu will drop down that says all. Click all. And anytime I put out any video or new content on YouTube, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just made a new video. You might want to check that out. So with that, we're going to jump right into this video. Today, this is about Royaltie and their May promotion. So if you're not familiar with Royaltie, go ahead and check some of my videos out. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe and you'll see some videos that I've done reviews about them and what their products is and what it can do for you guys. But we're going to talk about their May promotion and incentive for their affiliates or people who refer. It doesn't have to be an affiliate. That refer customers to Royaltie. So with that, we're going to jump right into it. So this is their Facebook page right here, Royaltie right here. So they put it over there starting Friday. That was today's the 2nd, May 2nd. So that was yesterday. May 1st at 3 p.m. Eastern. They will now be paying you immediately on your first, second, third, fourth, and fifth sales. You get commissions by doing that. If you're an affiliate with Royaltie, they have an affiliate program, and it's pretty lucrative. It's a dollar for dollar comp plan. That's another video I'll be doing in the future about that more. But you can actually get paid without being an affiliate. You for what is it? For referring stuff. Now this is cool because you have the ability to make up to a little bit over $400 just by referring it. If you try it out and you like it and it's a good product, and it is, trust me, it's really a good product for getting your brand and your business online, especially in this day and age right now with everything that's chaotic that's going on out there. You need an online brand. If you don't realize that, contact me. I'll have my number in the description and I'll give it to you at the end. So this is what they're doing. It's a bonus in addition to their regular commissions. So this is an instant bonus in addition to our already lucrative compensation plan, and ends May 31st, 7:59 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. So it's pretty cool. Entrepreneur plan is $87. Run for 1, they call that. Shoot for 2, reach for 3, go for 4, strive for 5. Each one you refer. This for new customers. You get $87 immediately. All you do is contact support. They'll hit you in your PayPal wherever you want it to go to, and most likely it's PayPal. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. I think it's a great way to make some extra income and help those who need businesses that you maybe know somebody who's in business. You can refer this to them, sign up with it, and then refer it to them. Boom, get your money right back. Instant payout. That's amazing. And right now is a great time to make some extra money. So you can do this from your home. You don't have to go anywhere. You can call people up. Check this out. Hey, Bob, I know you have a business and you have a hard time. You're struggling getting customers right now. Here, check this out right here, because I think this might help you out. They have a sales room that you can actually, a Zoom room that you can go in there, and they'll show you the platform, show your potential customers or referrals what this can do, as well as support. They have support, and of course my team will help you out too. We have our own Facebook group that we help people out with too, and give them little tidbits and helps and strategize and all that stuff like that. So if you're interested, if you like this, if you think this is amazing, if you was with Royaltie and you want to come back, do so. If you never heard of them and you want to check this out and make some money, your side hustle, do so. Contact me at 925-752-8897. You don't want to miss out on this amazing, simple opportunity. I'm telling you right now, it sells itself. Guys, I hope this got some value for you and you see the value in this one. And I'm looking forward to talking to you either through text or on the phone, or you can comment in below and go from there. To the next one, guys, you take care, be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.